if you want to acquire a duplex in an estate in the center of Owerri, I want to show you this 5-bedroom duplex in Odessy Onyia Estate, which is 3 minutes drive from Assumpta Cathedral Owerri. It's located along the third road. Okay, this is an offline payment property where you can commit some money now and complete the balance when the duplex is fully completed. Okay, currently is at the P.O.P stage right now. The windows have been installed, the doors are in the site. And you know why this off-plan payment is favorable? Because if there are some facilities you want to use, you can agree with the developer right now that the project is ongoing, so that he will install all those facilities while the project is ongoing. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to drive you down to this estate, show you the neighborhood, the environment, and show you exactly what is happening in the duplex so that you can see for yourself. Okay, all right, let's go. So right here I'm driving on Owerri Onyia Road from Assumpta Cathedral to the estate, so you can see the neighborhood and the access road. Okay, at this point I'm going to make a U-turn as if I'm driving back to Assumpta Cathedral. The estate is located on the right side along the third road. Okay, the blue fence you are looking at on the right is Vinyl Aluminium Company. Deals on aluminum roofing sheets. Alright, this is the entrance to Odessy Onyia Estate. This is the duplex we're talking about. I'm going to show you the environment first before we go inside for inspection. They are offloading complete ties for the building from that car over there. So this is how the environment looks like. And right here is Collins American International Academy. You can see there is an existing school in the estate. There is also a hotel. Let me show you where this property starts and ends. It's a corner piece. It starts from here. It keeps going. And it stops at that pillar over there. You can see this place is fully built up. You can hardly see an empty plot here. The gate will be mounted at this point. Okay. For now, that is an opening to the property until they mount the gate. And according to the owner, the gate has been paid for. Okay, so right here they are offloading the complete ties for the building, and this is a 60 by 120 size of ties. This shows that the owner is putting up a quality finishing to the building, and I'm impressed with what I'm seeing. When it comes to building, this particular developer builds as if he's the one that is going to live in the duplex. I've been supervising this building from the foundation, and I can guarantee you that this property is solidly built. All right, let's see how the inside looks like. Over there is OCDA building approval, receipts, and all that. So this shows that this building has been registered and approved by Owerri Capital Development Authority. You can see there is enough space here. This house is built on a one plot of land and well managed. Okay, so right here is the ante room, over there is the visitors toilet, and by the right side is the parlor and dining. Okay, you can see the size. These are the toilet doors. These are doors for the rooms, parlor, and all that. You can see the complete doors for the building are ready. So after the P.O.P, the doors will be mounted. This is P.O.P cement for the molding and installation of the P.O.P ceiling. You can see that work is seriously ongoing in this building. Here is the walkway, and we have a room downstairs, which is the guest room. Okay, so we have a room downstairs and we have 4 rooms upstairs, making it 5-bedroom duplex in total, and all the rooms are in suite. This is the staircase. Well, let's take a look at the kitchen before we go upstairs. Okay, that is the dining. This is the kitchen. That spot is for washing machine. This is an exit to the back elevation of the building. You can see is a walk around. Okay, Right, let's get back to the building for further inspection. Right now, we are at the up floor of the building and we're going to take a look at the rooms and see how it looks like. This is one of the rooms upstairs. The toilet and bedroom. This is a sit out at the up floor. This space here is for mini parlor and call it a family lounge. Okay, so right here is the master's. It also has its own sit out over there. That's the door to the sit out. You can see how sizable this master's is with the closet. I can't really go inside because of the ongoing P.O.P ceiling installation. Okay, but from here you can see that it is sizable enough. This is massive. We now have another room on the left and the right of the up floor, making it 4 rooms at the up floor and a room at the down floor. So far, you can see what is happening here. When it comes to location, the property is strategically located. When it comes to neighborhood and access road, it has a very good access road and is in a very good neighborhood. So I think if you're interested in this property, this is the best time to reach out, so that if there are some facilities you want the owner to install for you, this is the best time to do that. With what I'm seeing here, in 3 months' time, this duplex will be fully completed. Like I said before, if you're interested, this is the best time to reach out and make an off-plan payment, so that when the duplex is fully completed, you can now pay up the balance. Okay, this property comes with power of attorney as title and is selling for 200 million naira fully completed. So call or WhatsApp us with 08060766340 for free site inspection, for more inquiries, and to acquire this property. Remember, this video is coming from Owerri Global Limited. I am Justin Nwadike, the Managing Director, Owerri Global Limited, your favorite real estate consultant company here in Owerri, Imo State. If you like watching property deal videos like this in Owerri, if you like watching educative videos regarding real estate here in Owerri, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like the video and share, so that when we publish videos like this, you'll be notified for you to watch and be informed. Okay, you can as well check us out on our website with owerriglobal.com.ng for further inquiries. Okay, our office address is at number 10 Mako Plaza off Superb Road, Institutional and Club Quarters, New Owerri. Don't forget, I'm going to play the 3D video of the duplex towards the end of this video. That is how the duplex will look like when it is fully completed. Okay, have a fantastic day. I will see you again, and bye for now.